In this video, you'll learn how to solve for perimeter. The perimeter is the outside distance around an object. Think of it like a fence in a backyard. In order to find perimeter, we can use three different formulas. The first formula we can use is length plus width plus width. So we know that if this side is 7 and it's a regular rectangle, that this side's going to be 7. And if this side is 3, then this side's going to be 3. So we can add 7 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3. 7 plus 7 is 14. 3 plus 3 is 6. 14 plus 6 is 20. So the perimeter is 20 units. We can also do a shortcut because we know we're adding the length twice. We can do 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So 2 times the length of 7 plus 2 times the width of 3. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 3 is 6. 14 plus 6 is 20. Another way we can do perimeter is we can also add the length and width first and then multiply it by 2, because really we're adding these two numbers together and adding these two numbers together. So 2 times 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 is 10, times 2, 10 times 2 is 20 units. And I didn't write units here, oops, units. That's how we solve for a known perimeter. But what do you do when the perimeter is unknown and you have no idea what it is? Let's erase and talk about that. So when the perimeter is unknown, or when one of the side lengths is unknown, you have to use a different strategy. Sorry for the crazy video there for a second. So let's say we have a rectangle, and this side's 3, and this side is x, and we know the perimeter is 16 units. How do we figure out what x is? Well, we kind of have to work backwards. One way we can work backwards is we can say the perimeter of 16 we know is going to be the equivalent of length plus width plus width. Well, we already know one of the numbers, so I can replace those with 3's. So 16 equals 6 plus width plus width. So I know 6 plus something plus itself is 16. So I can kind of think, if I get rid of the 6 part, this part needs to be 10. What plus what equals 10? Oh, 5 plus 5 equals 10. So x must be 5. There's another way we can solve a problem like this. Is we know that perimeter is the same as 2 times length plus width. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So I can take 16 and I can divide it by 2 and I'll get 8. And I know that 8 is going to be the same as my length plus my width. Well, I know that one of my numbers is 3, so 8 is going to be the same as 3 plus something. That would be 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8, so x is 5.